read Surah Ma'idah, Surah number 5, ayat number 1 to ayat number 28, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions about them. Allah said to Musa alayhi salam, O Musa, you and your Sahaba, go and fight the people inside that town of Palestine, and I shall give you victory, and that land shall be for you forever. So his Sahaba, who just saw the miracle of Allah, that thousands of years they were under the capture of Pharaoh, but they were released, they were relieved of that slavery by the help of Allah. They give a reply to Musa alayhi salam and they say, Ya Musa, we are afraid of the people inside. They look very strong and tall. We can't fight them. We will sit here. You go and fight them with your Lord. After your victory, tell us, we will come inside. Na'uzubillah. You see, the ungratefulness immediately started there. So anyway, they were punished by Allah. 40 years, Allah said, wilderness. You will be in the wilderness, wandering in this land, wherever you are on the shore. You will not get any entry, no safe passage for you. So they were on the shore for about 40 years when Allah calls Musa alayhi salam for 40 days and 40 nights to give him the Tawrat. And the Tawrat was given in a written form on tablets as confirmed in the Quran by Allah in Surah Araf. Surah number 7, ayat number 140 to 150 when you read, Allah says, we called Musa alayhi salam for 40 days and 40 nights and we gave him the Tawrat. And the Iman of a Muslim is the writing on the tablets of the Tawrat was the writing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself. Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah said, this is a unanimous agreement between all the Muslim ulama that the handwriting on the Torah was the writing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.